Cleaning is a real mood killer, especially if there's an old barbecue you've neglected for years laying around in your backyard. Maintaining your car, your sidewalk, as well as all the delicate spots in your home's interior is just as hard and time-consuming, but not if you're properly equipped for the task. Pressure washers, or power washers, are the tools you're looking for in this particular situation. And since finding the right one can prove to be somewhat challenging, we've taken the liberty of picking 5 best models that the market has to offer. For more information on the products, I've included links in the description box down below, which are updated for the best prices. Like the video and don't forget to subscribe. Now, let's get started. For starters, we recommend Greenworks GPW1501. In a nutshell, this is a small, compact, light-duty power washer that rocks 1500 psi power rating at 1.2 gallons per minute, which makes it perfect for cleaning smaller house interior items, car paints, or walls. It's very simplistic in terms of design, as it packs only 2 tip accessories, 25 degrees and 40 degree, a plain soap dispenser, and a relatively long power cord. Its main benefits are that it consumes a low amount of power, it doesn't use much water, and it's absolutely great for beginners who don't have much experience with power washers in general. There are a couple of downsides here though, as this pressure washer has a relatively low PSI rating. It's weaker than most average quality power washers, although it's pretty decent for a budget model. Overall, it rocks superb value, straightforward features, and excels in various fields of performances. This is not something that many low-end models can boast about. At second position, we have Karcher's K1700 electric pressure washer. Just like its name implies, it boasts 1700 psi and operates at 1.2 GPM, which basically translates to robust performance. However, the reason why we have labeled it as our best value pick is that it offers convenience and versatility atop of sheer strength. It's better rounded than our previous pick in terms of that it features 3 quick connect nozzles, including a turbo nozzle, a 15-degree all-purpose attachment, and a detergent nozzle. Furthermore, it also sports a huge removable bin container that allows you to load it up with any cleaning gear you might need to see the process through in the easiest way possible. What makes it stand out from most similarly priced models is the fact that it rocks an exquisitely portable design. You will be able to use it both indoors and outdoors in the simplest fashion possible. The only downside is that its hose is rather short, namely 20 feet of cable is nowhere near enough for most hard-to-reach spots, but it's generally sufficient for most standard cleaning chores. Electric pressure washers are typically characterized by their portable design and low PSI rating. While the former can be said about AR Innovi Reverbery's AR383, the latter is quite far from what's really going on here. It rocks 1900 psi, which makes it more than capable of going toe-to-toe with most gas-powered pressure washers that are known for their massive pressure strength. This model is packed with several complementary attachments: the washer gun, a couple of washer wands, a 14-ounce detergent tank, and 2 high-pressure quick-change tips that aim to provide you with means to adapt to any given cleaning scenario. Although it's generally made from cheap plastic, it's durable enough to withstand several years of use if you maintain it regularly. All things considered, it's definitely one of the most formidable electric pressure washers the market has to offer. While electric power washers are all-purpose cleaning tools that excel in versatility, gas-powered washers are powerhouses meant to get the job done in the shortest possible time. Simpson Cleaning's MegaShot 3125 offers just that: 3200 psi rating, 2.5 GPM rating, and a reliable Honda GC190 motor are just some of its main features. Some people might think that this pressure washer isn't really compact due to its crude design, but it actually is. It sports 2 all-terrain wheels that allow you to easily transport it from one place to another with the least amount of hassle possible. Furthermore, what makes this model special is the maintenance-free OEM Technologies cam pump. It comes supplied with a ton of built-in service features that provide it with unparalleled durability. What's more, the MegaShot packs 5 quick connect tips, including a 0-degree tip for condensed jets of water, a 15-degree tip for accurate systems, a 25-degree tip for spraying slightly larger surfaces, and the 40-degree tip for spray and pray situations. At the end of the day, MSH3125 MegaShot is clearly more versatile and easier to handle than most gas-powered pressure washers. It's remarkably durable, powerful, and most importantly, it offers consistency and convenience. Our final pick is Joe's SPX3000, the best pressure washer overall. Simply put, the main reason why this model is better than most pressure washers, gas or electric, is because it took the most notable advantages of both worlds and took care of the potential pitfalls that they would otherwise present. It's an electric pressure washer that boasts 2030 psi at 1.76 gallons per minute, which is one of the highest power ratings in this particular category. Furthermore, it sports the unique TSS feature that automatically shuts the pump down when you're not pressing the trigger in order to preserve as much energy as possible while extending the pump's lifespan. Despite being one of the strongest pressure washers out there, Joe's SPX3000 is surprisingly compact and lightweight. Although there maybe are a couple more durable models in the electric-powered washer category, the SPX3000 is sturdy enough to last a decade given proper use and maintenance. Thanks for watching, and that's all for now. I hope to see you guys in the next video. Till next time, see you guys later.